Hi everyone, you are welcome back to another interesting question. The question we have today says calculate the blue area, that is the areas of these two cycles. We are given here area of big cycle equal to 16 pi over 3. That is the area of this big cycle is 16 pi over 3. Here the length of this side is a plus b. That of this is also a plus b. The length of this line segment is a, while this is b. The value of a is given here to be 1.5. So how can we solve this? How can we calculate the area of these blue cycles? Since we are dealing with three distinct cycles, each cycle is gonna have its unique radius. So we let radius of big cycle be x, that of this cycle be y, and this z. The formula for calculating the area of a cycle is pi r squared. We know r is representing the radius. So for this big cycle, it's going to be pi x squared. This cycle will be pi y squared, and this will be pi z squared. So from this, we can say blue area equal to pi y squared plus pi z squared. We can factor out pi, so it be pi into bracket y squared plus z squared. Keep this equation aside. Concentrate on this area of big cycle equal to pi x squared. From here, we are given area of big cycle to be 16 pi over 3. So pi x squared equal to 16 pi over 3. This pi will cancel this pi. So x squared equal to 16 over 3. Take the square root of both sides. Here square root of x squared is x, while here square root of 16 over 3 is 4 over root 3. Therefore x equal to 4 over root 3. Come here, let's replace this a, this and this with its value 1.5. So the length of this side is b plus 1.5. That of this is also b plus 1.5. And here its sum length is b plus 1.5 as well. That makes triangle PQR an equilateral triangle. We know one of the properties of an equilateral triangle is that all three of its angles are 60 degrees. That is, this angle, this and this each are 60 degrees. We focus on this chord QR. Its length is b plus 1.5. The formula for calculating the length of a chord is 2r sine 1 over 2c. R is the radius. The radius of the big cycle, we have its value here to be 4 over root 3. Put it here. 2 times 4 over root 3 is 8 over root 3. C is representing the angle the chord subtend to the center. But we have this angle 60 degrees, which is subtended by this same chord to the circumference. From the cycle theory, there is a rule that the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference if subtended by the same arc. So by this rule, since C is the angle at the center and this 60 degrees is at the circumference, therefore C equal to 2 times 60 degrees, which is 120 degrees. Substitute it here. 1 over 2 times 120 degrees is 60 degrees. Sin 60 degrees is root 3 over 2. This root 3 cancels this root 3. And this 8 divided by this 2 is 4. So b plus 1.5 is 4. Subtract 1.5 from both sides. Here plus 1.5 minus 1.5 is 0. While here 4 minus 1.5 is 2.5. So b equal to 2.5. That is, the length of this segment is 2.5. Here, replace b with 2.5. 2.5 plus 1.5 is 4. Now come to this triangle. Call this point D. So it be triangle DQR. Since we have the length of this side to be 2.5 and this 4, while the size of this angle is 60 degrees, we use the cosine rule to find the length of this side. By the cosine rule we know for any triangle ABC, C squared equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos C, where angle C is the angle facing side C. So if we let this side be C, this angle must be angle C. Let this be A and this B. So A equal to 2.5, which is 5 over 2. B equal to 4 and C equal to C. Angle C is 60 degrees. Substitute it here. So C squared equal to 5 over 2 all squared plus 4 squared minus 2 times 5 over 2 times 4 times cos 60 degrees. 5 over 2 all squared is 25 over 4. 4 squared is 16. Minus 2 times 5 over 2 is minus 5. And minus 5 times 4 is minus 20. Cos 60 degrees is 1 over 2. Minus 20 times 1 over 2 is minus 10. 16 minus 10 is 6. 25 over 4 plus 6, simplifying into a single fraction, is 25 plus 6 times 4 all over 4. 6 times 4 is 24. 25 plus 24 is 49. So C squared equal to 49 over 4. Take the square root of both sides. Here square root of C squared is C, while here square root of 49 over 4 is 7 over 2. So C equal to 7 over 2. Therefore, the length of this side is 3.5. We say side DR equal to 3.5. Recall, the formula for calculating the area of a triangle is 1 over 2 AB sin C, where A and B are representing the length of two sides of the triangle, while angle C is the angle between the two sides. So to this triangle DPR, if we take this as A and this B, this must be angle C. So A equal to 1.5, B equal to 4, and C equal to 60 degrees. Substitute it here. Now area of triangle DPR equal to 1 over 2 times 1.5 times 4 sin 60 degrees. 1.5 times 4 is 6. 1 over 2 times 6 is 3. Sin 60 degrees is root 3 over 2. 3 times root 3 over 2 is 3 root 3 over 2. So area of triangle DPR equal to 3 root 3 over 2. Keep it aside. We use the formula again for this triangle DQR. If we take this as A, this B, this must be angle C. So A equal to 2.5, B equal to 4, and angle C equal to 60 degrees. Substitute the values here. 2.5 times 4 is 10. 1 over 2 times 10 is 5. Sin 60 degrees is root 3 over 2. 5 times root 3 over 2 is 5 root 3 over 2. So area of triangle DQR equal to 5 root 3 over 2. Come to this cycle. We see it is inscribed in this triangle DPR. There is a rule that the inradius of a triangle is equal to the ratio of its area to its semi-perimeter. That is twice the area to the perimeter. So by this rule, the radius of this cycle, which is y, will be equal to 2 multiplied by the area of this triangle DPR divided by the perimeter, which is summation of this 1.5, this 4, and the length of this side DR, which is 3.5, and the area of triangle DPR is here 3 root 3 over 2. So y equal to 2 times 3 root 3 over 2, all over 1.5 plus 4 plus 3.5. 1.5 plus 4 is 5.5. 5.5 plus 3.5 is 9. This 2 cancels this 2, and this 3 can go into this 9 3 times. So y equal to root 3 over 3. If we apply the same rule to this cycle, which is an end cycle of this triangle, the radius, which is C, must be equal to 2 multiplied by the area of this triangle, which is here 5 root 3 over 2, divided by its perimeter, which is the summation of this 2, this 4, and the length of this line dr, which is 3.5. So z equal to 2 times 5 root 3 over 2, all over 2.5 plus 4 plus 3.5. 2.5 plus 4 is 6.5. 6.5 plus 3.5 is 10. This 2 cancels this 2. And this 5 can go into this 10 2 times. So z equal to root 3 over 2. We have y equal to root 3 over 3 and z equal to root 3 over 2. Substitute them here. Root 3 over 3 all squared is 3 over 9. And root 3 over 2 all squared is 3 over 4. Simplify into a single fraction. It is 4 times 3 plus 9 times 3 all over 36. Here 3 can be factored out. So it is 3 into bracket 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9 is 13. This 3 can go into this 36 12 times. Pi times 13 over 12 is 13 pi over 12. So blue area equal to 13 pi over 12.